and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I use the particular plugin from the Trapcode suite created by Red Giant. I'm going to be showing you how to use Trapcode particular using Emitter Lite. It's very easy. Let's go. First, I'm going to open a new project. Create a new comp. I'm using 1920 width by 1080 height 30 frames per second. 10 second long. Click OK. Go to Layer. New, Light. Name Light Emitter. Then click OK. Then go to Emitter and press P on your keyboard. Go to the X position and drag it right or left as you like. Keyframe position, then move few frames. Go to this X position and drag it into another side. Go to this point and scroll it up. Also the other side. Create a new solid. Call it particular. Click on Make Comp Size. Then click OK. Go to Effect, RG Trapcode and choose Particular. Go to Emitter. Emitter type, choose Light. Change velocity to 20, and velocity random, velocity distribution and velocity from motion to 0. Also emitter size X, Y, and Z to 0. Go to Particular, change particle size to 1. Go to Set Color and choose Color over Life, then choose any color you want. Back to Emitter, and change the particles to 3000. Then go to Physics, Air, Turbulence Field. Change effect size to 9, and scale to 100. Go to Effect, Stylize, Glow. Create a new solid. Call it Background. Go to Effects and Presets, write Gradient Ramp. Go to Ramp Shape and choose Radial Ramp. Drag the set color to the middle. Choose any color you want.